In this session, we will discuss regular grammar design for few additional problem. Let's start the session. We will discuss the design of regular grammar for the given four problems. In case of regular grammar, we need to design right linear grammar or left linear grammar. Linear means a single non-terminal will appear in the right hand side, and right linear means the position of that non-terminal will appear at extreme right position. In case of left linear, the position of single non-terminal appear in the leftmost position in all production rule. For example, S will give you AS, BS or null. It is a right linear grammar because the position of non-terminal appear in the right hand side is at extreme right position, whereas in the production rule, S will give you SA, SB or null. Position of non-terminal appearing on the right hand side, extreme left position. Therefore, we will call it as left linear grammar. For these four problems, we will design right linear grammar. You can easily able to convert right linear grammar into left linear grammar. In the first problem, we want to design right linear grammar or regular grammar over A and B that accept only those words that do not end with BA. So words can end with AA, AB, BB if its length is 2 or more. So we can write down its regular expression as A plus B star AA, A plus B star AB, A plus B star BB. This part will generate all string of length greater than equal to 2 that are ending with AA, AB and BB. What it means, these are not ending with BA. In addition to that, we will add null strings of length 1, that is A or B. Now we will write down regular grammar for this one. So S will give you null A, B. We can able to generate these string directly using S non-terminal. Then in all three rules, we want to generate A plus B star. That can be generated by replacing S by A, and using A we can generate A plus B star, that is AA, BA, and whenever we are thinking that we had generated A plus B star, we need to terminate either with AA, AB or BB. So we will terminate it by AA, AB or BB. So this is right linear grammar for the given problems. Now we want to design the right linear grammar that accept all string not containing substring 00. If we will design its DFA, we need to accept all string that are not containing substring 00. So first we will design DFA for 00 and then we will reverse final and non-final states. So this will be the DFA for accepting all strings having substring 00. If we will change final state into non-final state, we will get a DFA that will accept all string not containing substring 00. So let's call it as Q0, Q1, and let's suppose last one is Q rejected state. Now Q0 and Q1 will become the final state. Now once we reach to QR state, there is no incoming edge from QR to Q0 or Q1. So we can consider it as Q0, 1, 0, 1, Q1, and we can able to remove this edge 1 by putting the effect on Q0 state. So there is a loop of 0, 1 on Q0. So we can write down it as 0, 1 loop, and then on reading of 0, we are moving to Q1. Its equivalent regular expression is 1 plus 0, 1 star for Q0 state. And if we will read 1 after this one, we will move into the Q1 state. Now we will write down regular grammar for the given regular expression. Let's suppose S will give you 1s or 01s. It can be replaced by null if Q0 is our final state. If we want to make Q1 as the final state or the string ending with 0, we will terminate S by 0. So this represents the right linear grammar that will generate all string not containing substring 00. Now we want to design a regular grammar over 0 and 1 that accept all string not containing even number of letters. So it means number of letters will be odd and there is no restriction on 0 and 1. So if we will start with S, and if we have a rule 0a or 1a, so we can replace S by 0a or 1a. So we had generated one character and that number of character is odd. If we will replace a by 0s or 1s, we will reach back to the non-terminal s, that is 00s, 01s, 10s, 11s, and so on. We can able to generate even number of letters, and if we will terminate s by 0 or 1, we will get odd number of letters like 000, 001, 010, 011, and so on. Now we want to write down regular grammar over A and B that accept only those words that begin or end with the double letters. So corresponding regular expression we can able to write down. So first we will write down its corresponding regular expression. So begin or end with the double letters means double letter means AA or BB. So if it is beginning with AA or BB, it can be represented by this regular expression. If it is ending with double letter, it can be represented by this regular expression. Now we will generate this subregular expression using non-terminal S1, and we will generate this regular expression using S2, and we will add a rule S will give you S1, S2. Now from S1, first we will generate this part and we need to generate AA or BB. So we will generate AAA or BBA, and then using A we will generate A plus B star. We can able to generate by AA, BA or null. Similarly from S2, first we need to generate A plus B star. So we will generate it by AS2, BS2. Whenever we do not want to repeat the loop of A plus B star, we will terminate it by AA or BB, and this represents the right linear grammar for the given problem. Thanks for watching this session.